Okay, as you can see, I have the new part screwed on to the assembly, which is this part right here, this white part. Instead of just taking the whole thing apart, which didn't need to be replaced, and since I couldn't get these screws off because they were on there so tight, I took the bad part and put the new part on there. Next thing I had to do, which kind of stumped me because I couldn't remember how to put it on, was the black plastic piece. You have to sit this part behind it, and there's some screws underneath. I don't know if you can see it. Screws underneath that go through the black plastic part, through the face of it, and then you screw it on from the back of the plastic part. So what you're looking at is this piece right here, which is bolted down to the bottom of your washer, and your old part will sit behind here nice and snug, and you put the screws in from the front and then you screw it on and you hold it real tight. Okay, next thing is, if you can't get this off, let me tell you, to get that bottom screw under there, just use one of these. It's the perfect fit. And I wish I would have known that 2 days ago. You can see, perfect. Perfect. Wish I would have known that. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in my power source. And that should just clip right in there. Let's see. You just double check. Now, there's the prongs. There's the clip. Let me see. It doesn't. Okay. Yeah, it does go this way. Okay. I clip that on right there. Okay, it appears to be secure. And now all I'm going to do is close that up. Move my tools out of the way here. Squeeze back in here. Plug. Oh, it's too dark in here and you guys can't see, but plugging the power cord back in here. And a little word of advice: if you hang it over the water source instead of dropping it on the floor, it's much easier to pick up. Trust me. Okay, turn the water back on, lefty-loosey ladies or gentlemen. Oh no, you still can't see what I'm doing. Sorry, but you get the idea. Got water flow, we got power. Oh, squeezing through here. Put that freezer back. Oh, okay. Well, instead of loading laundry first, I am going to kind of wipe up the floor here so I can tell maybe if there's any leaks. I'll be able to see it easier. Okay, just turn it on. Okay, we have power, we have water, and we have our new pump. Everything goes right. Should be able to see if it works here in a few minutes. But basic installation of a drain pump for a Kenmore front loading washer.